If you have these infection, you can take regularly. Otherwise, you can take this as weekly once for immunity purpose. You can use this for glowing skin, pimple, acne and other skin diseases, and also you can use for removing your facial hairs. This has many properties like anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, anti-helminthic and many other properties, and also antiseptic. You can drink this milk during cold, cough, fever, sore throat and other infections. Next thing, you can use this for skin diseases. If you have any psoriasis, eczema or other skin diseases, you can apply this paste for every day. Do you know that our herbs are the healer of our body? Yes, in this video I am going to share important benefits of some powerful herbs which help you in the day-to-day life. Before going to that, subscribe the channel for more videos. So first we are going to see about Tulsi leaves. So Tulsi leaves you can use in different ways so that you can get the more different benefits. So first one, you can use this Tulsi leaves as a decoction. Take some 100 ml of water, add 5 to 6 Tulsi leaves, boil it for 5 minutes, then filter it and drink it in the empty stomach. You can take this in the cold, cough, fever and other infections. If you have these infection, you can take regularly. Otherwise, you can take this as weekly once for immunity purpose. If you drink this decoction, it will rise your immunity. The next thing, you can take as a steam. Take some water, put some tulsi leaves, boil it and make as a steam. If you are taking this steam regularly, it will help you to come out of sinusitis and also running nose, nose block, bronchitis and other cold related issues. If you are not having any of these issues, you can take this as weekly once for immunity purpose, for rising your immunity and not getting any infections in this monsoon seasons. Take 2 to 3 leaves of tulsi leaves, chew it nicely so that you can get rid of bad breath problem. If you are having any infections in the mouth, it will also be get cured. And the next thing, it will improve your oral health. So you can take this regularly. It also antioxidant rich so that it will rise your immunity. So you can eat these tulsi leaves, 2 to 3 leaves every day. By squeezing these tulsi leaves, you will get some juices. You can apply these juices on your wounds because it has anti-inflammatory properties so that it will heal your wound. And also if you are having any pimples, acne and other skin related issues, you can use this regularly. You can apply this as a face mask. Next, you can use this tulsi leaves as a tulsi tea. So if you are taking as a herbal tea, it will help to reduce your stress. It will calm the mind and also it will give you a good sleep. So you can use as a stress reducer. The next thing, you can use this tulsi leaves as an infused water. So you can take some tulsi leaves, put it in a water, soak it for some hours and then take as a detox water. So it will detox your body, it will detox your liver and it will rise your immunity. So you can use this water when you need detox. So the next powerful herb is turmeric. So turmeric, everyone know that we can use in cooking. This turmeric has many properties like anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, anti-helminthic and many other properties and also antiseptic. So you can use this turmeric for many purposes. You can make turmeric as a paste and put it as a face mask. You can use this for glowing skin, pimple, acne and other skin diseases, and also you can use for removing your facial hairs and for glowing skin. The next thing, you can use this turmeric as an antiseptic because if you are having any wound, you can apply this on your wound. It has anti-inflammatory properties, so it will reduce the inflammation and will also reduce the infections. Next, you can add turmeric in the milk. You can drink this milk during cold, cough, fever, sore throat and other infections. If you are taking this regularly, it will fight off your infections and also rise your immunity. So take this regularly. Next important herb is neem. So every part of the neem tree is used as a medicine. Before days, many people will use neem twigs as a brush. They use these twigs for brushing purpose. Most of the toothpaste and mouthwash are made with one of the ingredient as a neem. Many people will use neem as a hair oil. So this hair oil will help you to come out of the lice, dandruff and other infections in your scalp. If you have any scalp infections, you can use neem as a shampoo. So next thing, you can use neem as an anti-diabetic. If you are having diabetes, this neem leaves will control your diabetes. You can take 5 to 6 neem leaves in an empty stomach along with some turmeric and pepper. So it will reduce your blood sugar level. You can take this weekly once or twice. If you are diabetic, you can take this regularly. Next thing, you can use this neem for skin diseases. If you have any psoriasis, eczema or other skin diseases, you can apply this neem paste for every day and show in the sunlight for 20 minutes and remove with the cold water. If you are practicing this regularly for every day, you will become out of the skin diseases. The next important herb is ginger. So you can use ginger as fresh ginger and powder format and dried format and other formats also. This ginger you will have antibacterial, antiviral, anti-arthritic, anti-inflammatory and many properties, so that you can use in many different ways. If you are having cold, cough, dry throat, throat infections, sore throat, you can use this ginger regularly. If you are taking a dry ginger powder, you can take in hot water and drink before going to the sleep. If you are taking this ginger as a fresh juice, take 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, add some drops of honey in it and drink before your meal, so that you will not get any throat infections, dry throat, sore throat and other cold related infections. Next thing, you can use this ginger for digestion. It helps you to come out from indigestion problem, gas problem, bloating problem. If you have constipation, you can take this. Overall, it will raise your immunity, so you can take ginger when you need this. Include all these herbs in your lifestyle and make your body more healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to our Neem Tree channel for more videos.